Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making butter waste keema masala. Little confusing, na? Yeah, whenever you make clarified butter or ghee from milk cream, there is a waste product which is called butter waste or fork. So take a pan, add 1 spoon of oil, spread all over the pan, add 1 medium sized chopped onion. Cook till onion is transparent. Once your onion is transparent, add 4 cloves of grated garlic. Cook for half a minute. Then add half teaspoon of grated ginger. Cook for couple of seconds. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, and 1 teaspoon of Kitchen King masala. Mix it well and cook it for couple of seconds. Now add approximately 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or as per taste. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Toss it. Add salt to taste and cook till tomato is softened. Once your tomato is soft, add butter waste or fork and mix it well. If you don't have butter waste, you can use soya granules boiled in a water. Now add little bit of kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaf and cook it for further 1 minute, mixing continuously. Now add 1 cup of milk for a creamy texture of our butter waste masala and cook it for another 1 minute. And after 1 minute, your butter waste keema masala is ready to eat.